Well, I couldn't get the grandkids over here, but I made it to Deep South. I'm a little late. It's like 8 o'clock, and they're already, sounds like they're timing in for something, but anyway, I'm here. We call this advanced research. I've never been down here, but the Ultimate Street Stock Challenge series, they run down here some, so advanced research, y'all. I have no idea who's racing, but it's street stock, so, you know, it's cool. So I finally make it to a track that Chase Holland is racing at. I have yet to see Chase Holland run live. Make it down here. Chase is here. He didn't have enough cars to make his class tonight down here. Man, that sucks, because Chase is hot up-and-coming racing talent. But he's turning some hot laps at least. You know, he's going to turn laps on the track. Just not going to get to see him racing in action. If y'all hadn't checked out Chase Holland's YouTube channel, I'll link it on here. He's got a great channel, him and his family. They're awesome folks. So check it out. We brought some t-shirts with us while we were down here. Gotta promote y'all.
Here we go, first feature of the night. With the first feature of the night.
See no leaf spring cars in the factory stock class, y'all. They bring that factory stock down here and show them something. Y'all, I had to bail. I had shorts on. I was about to freeze to death. I didn't get to watch the Stingers. That was the last class to go. So, Deep South Speedway. Never been here. This was my first time. Super nice. I mean, really nice facility. Track went totally black slick, but it was smooth. It wasn't chunking up or nothing. Little bit of dust at the end, but wasn't blowing all up in the stands. It looked like it wouldn't have been like obstructing the view on the cars. So, pretty good place, pretty neat. The Ultimate Street Stock Challenge Series, they run down here, I think, twice a year. I think they got one coming up in another week or two, like a 3,000 to win down here, which I'm not going to get to participate in. But I am glad I got to come. You know, a few street stocks, quite a few factory stocks, and pure streets. Full fendered stock cars is healthy in the Southeast U.S. You know, the factory stock class, where there is a lot more limits on the rules as far as the shocks and the suspension changes you're allowed to do, that really seems to be the class the last couple of years that is dominating. So Shannonnaires, if you're hearing this, I know y'all are thinking about doing something to have a traveling touring series of factory stock. I would love to see that. I got a Camaro that could get all up in a class like that. If y'all did that in the Ultimate Series, that would be so cool. As far as for us, 2023, just a quick note here. Let's see. We're going to try to make the, let's see, Thunderhill's got a 5,000 to win coming up at the end of October. We're going to try to take the Crush to that race. I think we'll do good at that track with the car. And then I'm getting the Camaro ready to run it. We pre-registered the Camaro leaf spring car in the World Championship at Why Not, November the 16th, 17th, and 18th, I think. And I'm going to drive the leaf spring car in that race in factory stock, because I think we've got a shot at winning that thing with that car. So, you know, me and Kim and Rachel, and I don't know, I may have a few more that's going to help us. We're going to go down there and we're going to see if we can make it happen. I don't think I can get the Crush there as far as the speed I need to compete at the World Championship. But that Camaro, it is there. So we're going to see what we can do with it and win that factory stock race down there. So this one was a little bit different. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hey, subscribe, folks, because y'all know this is good stuff. See you next time.